Do you want to know how you can log into your KIFS Mutual Fund account? If yes, then this video is for you. Hello and welcome to Tech Basics. It's your host back again with yet another interesting tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can log into your KIFS Mutual Funds account. Go ahead and open Chrome or Edge browser on your PC, go to the Google search bar and then search for KIFS Mutual Fund login. Click on the first link which appears on your screen. It will take you to the official login portal or this page of KIFS. Now you can see web login on the top right hand side. Go ahead and click on web login. It will take you to the official login portal. Go ahead and write down your user ID, your password and then click login. This way you can log into your KIFS Mutual Fund account. Let me show it to you once again, guys. Go ahead and go to Google, search for KIFS Mutual Fund login. Click on the first link which appears on your screen. After that, go ahead and click web login, which you can see on the top right hand side. It will take you to this portal where you can write down your user ID, your password and then click login. This way you can log into your KIFS Mutual Fund account. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care and make sure you enjoy.